Every individual in this firm is invested in the success of every single client. I think what's different and unique about our approach is not so much our approach, but perhaps our mindset.
We're not salespeople. We do not get compensated based on assets under management. If your advisor's objective is to gather assets to get paid more, they're going to behave differently than we do. And that is fundamental to the difference in the experience you'll have with us. We're always acting in our client's best interest.
The client is the reason that we exist. It's the reason we're all here. So our investment process, our asset management philosophy starts in the exact same place. It is our job to, one, help define what the mission is for them, tie the money to that mission, and then along the way, we need to be able to explain to them if these assets are doing what they're supposed to be doing, why or why not.
They feel that passion we have for the business, and it's something that they want to be a part of. And I think that's why people are initially drawn to working with us.
Sensational improvements is a big part of our culture as we look at continuing to challenge the status quo, and look at new ideas that are out there.
If you haven't made changes to your investment processes, your policies in recent years, you're probably missing something. We are doing that constantly. Doesn't mean constant change, constant challenge.
We want to get to know the plan. We want to get to know you as an organization. What are the goals here?
And we started this business because we enjoy the personal relationships we have with clients. The relationships mean far more in life than the transactions do.
So what clients say is thank you. Thank you for allowing me to sleep at night. Thank you for making this complex issue much simpler.